Hey guys, Texas fans and more here. So today I'm getting a video tour of the Blanda Drive #1 rail crossing. So yeah. Alright, so this person, I believe it's a Lincoln Industries, and I can't cross because my dad thinks I'm gonna scare people and they can see me, a little kid coming. So yeah, I see that's the emergency information. All these agents, I'm gonna choose all these emergency information. I know, I think this is a harmless one. It has Harman LED lights. You can't really see it because of the sun. And on the bell is a General Signals Type 2 trunk bell. Most of the bells at the HMCR line is General Signals Type 2. That's kind of confusing. I want some of these General Signals Type 2 to get please, because I want something new. Yeah, there's like 3 of them right here. And that's the Blanda Drive #2 and Whitesburg Drive right there. Here at Junction's filmed this crossing before. So yeah, he did cross because he was right there. Okay, I don't know what that is. Old post right there.
What?
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go right here without crossing because this is busy. Just like Airport Road and Governor's Drive. So yeah, and also I want to tell you, it's my birthday rail crossing special day.
Oh, I know.
Assist to YouTubers. So yeah, this is the Blanda Drive #1, Blanda Drive #2, and Whitesburg Drive rail crossings. Over and out.